So really quickly, I just want to add that the parts that you see sticking out, they are sticking out on purpose because I wanted to make the hair longer. So that's why you see like some of the ends sticking out, and I really don't mind because I wanted it to be very messy. It's Tanyabeautiful here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with another video, and today's video is going to be really quick, okay, because it's just going to be quick. What's up, you guys? It's Tanyabeautiful here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with another video, and today's video is sponsored by YEBO. Once again, shout out to them for sending me this passion twist here. Now YEBO is an Amazon based company, but don't worry about that, okay? They got good stuff. They got good stuff. I will leave all of their information in the description box down below. I don't know if y'all recall, but a couple videos ago they sent me a canvas head, and it was amazing on how much things that I got within my package just for $20-something, and then I get this here for $20-something. Girl, you want to go to YEBO, okay? YEBO is an Amazon-based company who specializes in hair products, hair tools, things like that. If you do hair, they have everything that you may need when it comes to like making wigs and things like that, but they also have hair like this. So shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna leave a link to their store in the description box down below, and if you guys want to see the canvas set that they sent me a couple videos back, I will link that down below as well. Before we get into this video, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and also turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, because I know y'all don't want to miss none. And with that being said, let's get into it. They sent me this here for a review, and I am super excited to get into this video. Now let me give y'all some information, some back information, okay? So I had this here for a while now, okay, and I apologize. I had it for a while now because I was really trying to figure out what I was gonna do with it. I'm a type of girl, like, I like to change my hair. I like to change my hair a lot, okay? I am not the type of girl who could go anywhere and pay for some box braids or some twists because I'm not gonna have it in for long. Because I love to change my hair a lot, I was a little bit indecisive on what I wanted to do with this hair in particular, okay? So that's why I had it for a long time, and that's why y'all seen it in August. And summer is over, but you know what? It's a perfect protective style, but it also will look really cute on a lot of girls going back to school in September. So perfect time. I changed my hair like I changed my shoes, my panties, girl. So I was like, you know what? I want to find a way to rock this hair without it being like a hassle for me to change my hair when I'm ready to change my hair. So I went ahead and I installed my passion twist hair that I got from YEBO, because I gotta mention that again, on a curly wig that I already had. I installed this passion twist hair in my natural hair already, right? I did the parting girl. I went and got the crochet needle. I had the rubber bands, the sections parted out, all of that. I did that, and girl, my head almost busts. You hear me? I cannot do no rubber band method. I don't like my hair tight. If you are a girl like me who doesn't like too much tension on your scalp, especially tension on your edges, because girl, edges is hard to come by sometimes. Sometimes you lose them shits, and when you lose them, they hard to come back. So if you are a girl like me who doesn't like too much tension on your scalp, I think this is the best way to improvise. So one day I was just sitting down and I was looking at like all my wigs and stuff like that, and I just came across a curly wig that I did a review on just a couple videos back. I will link that in the description box down below. Matter of fact, if y'all know, comment down below and tell me if y'all know what wig I used to install my passion twist on. I got this wig. I am going to go ahead and install my passion twist onto my lace front wig. I figured that would be much easier for me. You know, my baby hairs will be on fleek. You know, my hair won't be too tight. You know, I could get the look without the pain. Bitch, that's the best thing that can happen for you, okay? Getting the look without go through that type of pain, bitch, and you still got the look. Girl, that is heaven sent. I made this wig myself, so I got a ear-to-ear frontal, and I also have 3 bundles in the back, so you guys kind of get an idea on how I had to install the passion twist onto this wig. With installing twists on a wig that you made yourself with a frontal and tracks in the back, it's going to be a little bit different, because when it comes to the back part, you have to kind of disguise it a little bit better. But once you have a frontal, you'll be able to cover the back, if anything. If you like wearing your hair down, this is perfect, okay? If you want a more of like a whole head type of thing, you guys can get, or if you already do have a full lace wig, you can go ahead and install it everywhere, girl. The whole wig. I'm not really focused on the back or anything like that, because the back doesn't even show. I have my twists, you know, laid down, so everything is covered in the back. I went ahead and left out some hair in the front so that I could comb down some baby hairs, and I left out a few curly pieces to try to give the twist like a cute look. I feel like this is a perfect way to improvise. I wasn't tender-headed before, but I'm tender-headed now. So I did use my ball cap method to install the wig, because of course you have to install it like how you would install your regular wig. I love it. I love how it looks. I love how it turned out. It's nice and full, and that's what I was looking for. I was looking for that body. I don't like my hair flat when I'm doing twists or braids or anything like that, so this was definitely perfect for me. If it looks a little bit messy, it's because I wanted it to look like that. I wanted it to look messy. I didn't want it to be too neat. I don't like my braids on my twist neat at all. I like a messy type of look. When I used to do braids, my favorite time with my braids were when they're a little bit stale, like a week or 2 in. I feel like your braids or your twists look the best when it gets older, because it just has this look to it that I just love. I didn't use the crochet method. I didn't want to. I went ahead and just installed the passion twist as if you were doing Senegalese twist. And I do have a tutorial on that as well. If you guys want to see that, I will leave that in the description box as well. I love how it looks. If you guys have any other questions for me, you guys can leave them in the comment section down below. But that is pretty much it. I didn't want to come on and do too much talking, because you know, the shorter the better. You just get to the point and you leave it alone. You know what I'm saying? Just leave it alone. Sometimes people be dragging it. I'm those people. I used to drag it. I try to get to the point and get it over with. That's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, you guys can comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I mean, you can buy it from the beauty supply store. First of all, the hairline on the ones in a beauty supply store, you gotta really finesse that for it to look good. But it does look good on anybody with your natural hair as well. So if that's how you want to install it, go ahead and install it. I just don't like a lot of tension on my head. You can put it on a wig, but passion twist looks bomb on, I think, any and everybody, okay? So yeah, like I said, that's it for this video. Be sure to comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with any and everybody that you know. And please, if you are new, please click that subscribe button. It'll help me out so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I love all of you, and that's it for this video. And until next time, bye.